I think the answer is nuclear fusion.
That is correct. Nuclear fusion is indeed the process by which stars, including our sun, generate their energy.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, I will demonstrate you my voice assistant that runs locally on a 12 GB VRAM. It doesn't require any kind of internet to run this voice assistant, which is using LLM, text to speech and speech to text, and also voice detection model that automatically detect voice and then send response to LLM. Of course, everything happening within the PC. It's not sending anything outside from PC because this aimed to run locally. So let's demonstrate it. I have to run this main.py file. I'm running it. Of course, this source code is available for free to download, and I built this on top of all the open source codes. Hello AI assistant, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I'm Quizzo, your friendly AI assistant. How can I assist you today? I corrected AI assistant to AI assistant since it was a correct statement.
Let's start a quiz on the topic of universe.
Sounds like a blast. Here's my first question. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Just respond with an answer. I'll give you feedback and ask the next one.
The largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter.
That is correct. Well done. Here's the next question. What is the farthest human-made object from Earth?
The answer is Voyager spacecraft.
That is correct. Good job. Here's the next question. What is the process by which stars like our sun generate their energy?
I think the answer is nuclear fusion.
That is correct. Nuclear fusion is indeed the process by which stars, including our sun, generate their energy. Well done. What is dark matter and what is its role in the universe?
I'm not sure about the dark matter. Can you explain it to me?
Don't worry. It's okay. Dark matter is a bit of a mystery. Dark matter is an invisible form of matter that makes up approximately 27% of the universe's total mass energy density. It plays a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Here's another question. What is the term for a star that has exhausted its nuclear fuel and has expanded to become incredibly large?
I think the answer is black hole or supernova. Which one?
I'll autocorrect your response. The correct term for a star that has exhausted its nuclear fuel and has expanded to become incredibly large is actually supernova, not black hole, although supernova can sometimes produce black holes. Well done on trying. Here's the next question. What is the Big Bang Theory?
The Big Bang Theory, I think it is the universe is formed from a small point, and that is the Big Bang Theory. Or can you explain it better way?
I'll give you feedback and ask the next question. The Big Bang Theory is correct. You've got the basic idea right. The universe did indeed start as a single, extremely hot and dense point and expanded rapidly around 13.8 billion years ago. Good job. Here's another question. What is the term for a region in space where the density of stars and other objects is higher than average?
I don't know. Let's end this conversation here.
I can hear you. You've decided to wrap up our quiz session on the universe. That's okay, let me summarize what we covered. 1. The largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. 2. The farthest human-made object from Earth is Voyager spacecraft. 3. Stars generate their energy through nuclear fusion. 4. Dark matter is an invisible form of matter that makes up approximately 27% of the universe's total mass energy density, playing a crucial role in galaxy formation and evolution. 5. A star that has exhausted its nuclear fuel and expanded to become incredibly large is called a supernova. 6. The Big Bang Theory describes the universe starting as a single, extremely hot and dense point, expanding rapidly around 13.8 billion years ago. It was fun chatting with you. If you want to play again or try a different topic, just let me know.